Okay, today I'm going to talk about why honey is one of the biggest scams, not only in social media and online marketing, but in all of finance, maybe even in the history of the world, because we don't know how much money was lost.
Free browser extension.
Free browser extension.
Free browser extension.
That automatically applies coupon codes when you check out online.
And stick around till the end, and there will also be a very special tip in this video that will be super important for your YouTube channel. If you do miss it, I believe that it will have the worst effect possible on your channel and your audience. This is Tubasol Mahad here. Let's get into this video. I always thought honey was a strange extension. I mean, how can it even gather all of these coupons, all over the internet, and save you money? How does it even work? Like, something in my gut just told me that this was dodgy, and I never even bothered to sign up. So I guess I'm lucky. Honey is a browser extension that gathers all of these different coupons around the internet and saves you money, apparently, since 2012. And PayPal bought it in 2020 for $4 billion, and it was then renamed to PayPal Honey. Not only was this honey extension popular, it was also being promoted by all of these huge YouTubers like mrbeast, Mark Rober, Austin Evans, Mr. Who's the Boss, you name it. There were so many of these YouTubers, and that just made even more people sign up for it. So basically what it does is that it finds deals for you, right? Wrong. According to YouTuber Megalag, who recently made a video about honey, which is now blowing up, and it's all over the news, all over YouTube, that this browser extension actually steals the commission. Say for example, I am a person that is using honey, right? I want people to use my links to the products so I can get a commission. What honey does is that it doesn't give me the commission. It keeps the commission for itself. And not only was this happening on YouTube, it was happening everywhere, even on blogs, on anywhere, all over the internet. This is not a legal video. This is just something that I've noticed about honey, is that it is very, very dodgy. And I'm glad I never signed up. This is not a legal accusation video, but apparently it does look a bit strange, and it is starting to make people sweat in the PayPal Honey corporate offices. So what can you learn from this? Well, the first thing is, don't promote a product that you're not sure about. Do your research on a product before you start promoting it on your channel. If the product that you are promoting ends up like honey, then it's actually going to make you look bad, and you might even lose your audience. Audience loyalty is everything. It's a lifetime to build up. Trust takes a lifetime to build up, only a second to lose it. So be careful. Okay, so if this video has been helpful for you, then I ask you to click the subscribe button to Tubasol Mahad here. Let's make it to the top together. Grind, don't stop. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have used honey before, if you've just signed up for it, because I've never done that. Let me know how has the experience been for you. If you want to learn how to actually make money on YouTube after you get views and build a loyal audience and don't lose them by promoting honey, then click this video right here.